All right, so here's the deal. Everyone is obsessed with this asteroid 3-eye atlas, so I got the itch to recreate the old school game Asteroids. So we're gonna vibe code this. It'll go hopefully pretty quick, and we're gonna use Claude. So let's dive in. All right, so let's get into Cursor. I know I use it. Why? I don't know. It's just my preferred IDE right now. So let's wake up Claude. Here we go. And just a note, always be polite to Claude. You never know when AI is going to start taking over the world. And if you're polite, it might save you. All right, yes. Proceed. Okay, ready? Let's do this. Hey, Claude, I want to recreate the old school retro game Asteroid. This should be a web app, and let's call it 3i/atlas to be like the comet/alien spaceship currently hurtling towards Earth. Now, I think we should add a twist to this game to be something to include aliens. Better aliens. More aliens? Because it definitely had aliens. Let's see. I want to add more aliens. Did Asteroid have aliens? Let's Google it. Did the retro game Asteroid have aliens? I don't think so. Now that I say that. Oh, it did. Yeah. Duh. It had the flying saucers. Duh. We just need more. Duh. Okay. I want to add more aliens to honor this weird hype around 3i/atlas. We will need a README file because we will launch. We'll push this up to GitHub. Thanks. All right, now let's see what happens. I'll help you create a retro asteroid game with an alien twist. Let me start by setting up the project structure and implementing the game. Create project structure in HTML file, implement game engine and physics, add player spaceship controls, create asteroids and collision detection, add alien UFOs, and AI. Oh. Claude's gonna get fancy up in here. Let's see, add sound effects and visual polish. Wonder how jacked up this is gonna look. I don't know, but I am excited to find out. It's done already. Do we want to create index.html? Why, yes, we do, Claude. I wish we could rename Claude. Now let me create the main JavaScript file with all the game logic. Let's do it. Let's load this up though while it will you load for me? There we go. Oh, come on, that looks jacked. We're gonna have to talk to him about that. Alien invasion from deep space. All right, so you can give instructions while Claude is doing other things. So, hey Claude, I love the color scheme, by the way, but when you load the HTML file, the letters and instructions are overflowing the box. We need to clean up the start page. The welcome page? The start page? I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what happens. I should start putting all these games on a website. Let's see. Oh my gosh, let's use 6,500 tokens for 105 seconds. Every once in a while, I like to stop it and ask it if it's okay, but we'll let it keep rolling. Oh, here we go. Here's our JavaScript file. Let's take a look. Explosions, constructors, draw, break, shooting, bullets. Sweet. See what we got. Yes. Do it. It's going to fix that for us. Yes. Okay, so change the width. 100%. Yes. All right, so let's reload that. Now let me update the JavaScript to properly set the canvas dimensions. Perfect. Yes. All right. What are we doing here? Now let me update. Okay, just updating another spot. Yes. Can we load this? Oh, creating the README. All right, enter. Oh, look at that. All right, so forward is thrust, side to side is rotate, and space is fire. We're destroying the asteroid and alien ships. Beware the mysterious comet 3i Atlas. Let's start our mission. Oh, ugh. Oh. This is wild. Anyway, so we created the game and it looks freaking awesome. Please subscribe for more. I bring a bunch of vibe coding content. I like to vibe code retro games when I'm bored, but also tech content and things like that. So yeah, we'll chat soon.